Alright friends, let's check our answer to this slide. So we have 6 times 1, or 1 times 6, and we know anything times 1 is going to be itself. So I know that's going to be 6. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 again is 0. 1 times 6 is going to give me 6. Then I want to add in my magic 0. 5 times 6 is going to give me 30. Regroup that 3 over that 4. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 3 gives me 23. Regroup that 2 over the 0. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 times 0 is 0. And 5 times 6 is 30. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add up my partial products here. 6 plus 0 is 6, 4 plus 0 is 4, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 2 is 2, 6 plus 0 is 6, 0 plus nothing gives me 0, and 3 plus nothing gives me 3. So then we count in 3 digits, add our comma, 3 more digits, add our comma, and that is our final answer.